Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft. Well, today I've got another gorgeous airplane to show you. When we talk about pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas, we mean business because that is our specialty. So today I've got this beautiful 1992 Baron 58 to show you, and she has special edition engines. So let's talk about your special edition engines. Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engines. We've got the GAMI fuel injectors, about 1155 and 1447 on each engine since factory new. And check out your Scimitar hot props, only 52 hours on the props since factory new. So let's check out your nose compartment, clean as a pin. We can store up to 300 pounds up here. You can take your golf clubs if you take the woods off. And I love the feature about these Barons, it has the spring thing. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. That way we can load our things in our cargo without the fear of getting bonked on the head. The Baron is such an iconic workhorse. Love this airplane. This particular model is equipped with the Vortex generators. And we've got long-range fuel on board, so plenty of fuel to fly to our dream or business destinations. 194 gallons of usable fuel. The exterior of this Baron is gorgeous. Matterhorn white overall with deep green and gold striping in very good condition. Total time on the airframe, about 2,575 hours. So this Baron has a nice, healthy, useful load, 1488. Of course, you can see the large double cargo doors we love about the Baron. So easy to load our cargo and passengers. Now the seating configuration, that's versatile. So right now it's set up in the club seating configuration, but let's say your passengers all want to face forward, we can do that. Or let's say you want to carry something back here and you want to move, remove, or stow a seat. I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, remove a pin, and we're good to go. So come on in and let's check out the interior. It's in really good condition. Gray leather seats, gray carpet, beautiful side panels in great condition. And check this out, a brand new headliner. Now we do have a 6-place intercom system, shoulder harnesses for all the passengers and pilots, and what I love, factory air conditioning. So let's check out your impressive and fully equipped flight deck. King KFC 200 Autopilot, integrated with the primary and multi-function flight display with WAAS, Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS, Garmin Transponder with ADS-B traffic and weather. Yes, you'll enjoy XM weather. Garmin GTS 800 active traffic, Chartview on the G500 MFD, radar altimeter, standby EFIS attitude indicator, standby slaved HSI, Stormscope, DME, ADF, and more. Other features you will appreciate: 3-blade prop synchrophaser, CD player, Rosen sun visors, VGs, co-pilot brakes, factory internal corrosion proofing, factory air conditioning, graphic engine monitors, digital fuel flow, and more. And you'll need to know the wing Spar AD does not apply to this aircraft. So is this a gorgeous Baron or what? I love the paint scheme, the beautiful gold trim and deep emerald. Now, this airplane is ready to fly you away. She's got the special edition engines, the Scimitar hot props, factory air conditioning, great panel, nice paint, super nice interior. We invite you to come to Piedmont Triad International Airport, Carolina Aircraft. Love to meet you, love to fly her away on a test flight. I do want you to know Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new Baron. We do have all the logbooks. She's always been hangared, no damage history. Lots to love here. So come see us. I'm May K. Beeler for Carolina Aircraft. Thanks so much for watching.